welcome to India Unbox, where tradition meets timeless fashion. Today, we take you on a journey into the world of tribal shawls, exquisite, hand-woven pieces that embody the spirit of India's indigenous communities. These shawls aren't just garments. They're stories, crafted by artisans whose skills have been passed down through generations. Let's explore their legacy, artistry, sustainability, and the ethical sourcing practices that elevate these shawls from mere accessories to living cultural treasures. Every tribal shawl begins with a legacy. Rich in heritage, these shawls reflect the identity and values of specific tribal communities. Handcrafted excellence is central, with techniques refined over centuries and passed on through generations. Regional diversity plays a vital role. From the wool-rich Himalayas to the cotton-laden deserts, each geography shapes unique aesthetics and storytelling patterns. These shawls are as versatile as they are meaningful. Drape them as scarves, stoles, or even statement capes, they adapt effortlessly to any style. Their distinctive designs, marked by bold patterns and vivid colors, make each piece visually captivating. But beyond style, each shawl becomes a conversation starter, offering a glimpse into centuries of cultural memory. At India Unbox, sustainability is woven into every thread. Our tribal artisans work with eco-friendly fibers like organic cotton, bamboo, and natural wool. Using traditional processing techniques, including hand spinning and plant-based dyeing, they achieve vibrant colors without harming the environment. These shawls are made with renewable resources, harvested responsibly to protect ecosystems. We believe in empowering communities. That's why our artisans receive fair wages that recognize their craftsmanship. Our production models prioritize community support, fueling village economies and ensuring that traditional weaving remains a respected livelihood. These shawls also support cultural preservation, keeping ancient skills alive and thriving for future generations. Let's walk through the intricate weaving process. It begins with material selection, using the finest regional fibers. Then comes traditional spinning, where hand-spun threads retain their natural strength and texture. Artisans use natural dyeing methods with flowers, roots, and minerals to produce deep, lasting colors. Finally, skilled weaving brings it all together, with hand-operated looms creating complex, meaningful patterns that embody tribal stories. India's tribal textiles are as diverse as its geography. In Nagaland, geometric patterns and warrior symbols dominate, rendered in cotton and wool with bold red, black, and white tones. Himachal Pradesh shawls use wool and silk, often adorned with intricate borders and floral motifs in earthy colors. Kutch is known for mirror work and embroidery, using vibrant primary colors. And in Manipur, textiles display narrative scenes and tribal totems, often dyed in indigo, maroon, and yellow. Each region offers a world of artistic tradition. Why do these shawls matter to today's consumer? First, they offer a unique identity. No two pieces are alike. Purchasing these shawls means ethical consumption, directly supporting artisan livelihoods. They're also a quality investment, built to last and age beautifully. And with seasonal versatility, they can be worn all year round, from winter wraps to summer accessories. These shawls are more than traditional garments, they're contemporary fashion tools. In the boardroom, they bring corporate elegance, elevating professional attire. Worn casually, they offer chic comfort that instantly transforms a look. For special evenings, bold tribal patterns add dramatic flair to formal outfits. The styling possibilities are truly endless. The demand for ethical fashion is booming, growing at 15% annually. Tribal textiles align perfectly with this trend. Top designers are seeking authentic collaborations, bringing tribal motifs into global collections. And in an age of digital storytelling, these shawls offer rich cultural narratives that resonate deeply with conscious consumers. The impact of tribal shawls extends far beyond sales. Over 300 artisan families are supported through our direct sourcing initiatives. 85% of revenue goes back to these communities, creating sustainable income and opportunity. Retailers also enjoy a 40% premium margin, driven by the shawl's uniqueness and story-driven appeal. But most importantly, each purchase preserves cultural heritage and promotes community resilience. Our sourcing model is efficient and transparent. We start with an initial consultation to understand your aesthetic goals. Then, we match you with artisans creating styles aligned with your brand. Through sample development, you can review custom designs before committing to production. We ensure ethical delivery with fair trade certified logistics and full transparency. Personalization is key. We offer color adaptation to suit different markets. Size variations ensure compatibility with your product lines. Your brand elements can be tastefully incorporated into the design, and our custom packaging aligns with sustainable values while elevating presentation. Across the globe, brands are thriving with tribal textiles. A Parisian boutique saw a 218% sales increase with a limited edition tribal line. A Scandinavian design house partnered with our artisans for home decor, supporting 42 families. And an Australian fashion label gained international acclaim by building its identity around these textiles. These stories prove that culture, commerce, and creativity can thrive together. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the vibrant world of tribal shawls. At India Unbox, we believe in connecting the world to India's rich artisanal heritage ethically, sustainably, and beautifully. Ready to begin your own sourcing journey? We are here to help you create fashion that feels and makes a difference. Round Pushpin address, Modi Nagar, Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh 20204. Email symbol email support@indianbox.com. Telephone receiver phone +91 87-553 00795. Globe with Meridians visit www.indianbox.com. Indian Box Direct Deals, Genuine Feels.